Alright guys, what is up? I hope all of you guys are having an amazing day. So yesterday we flew into Toronto and we got here late at night, didn't really do much, and today I am back in Toronto, or I guess I'm actually in Mississauga, which is like slightly outside of Toronto, but I'm gonna be here until Wednesday and we're gonna be doing a whole bunch of awesome stuff. But today is just sort of a lazy, relaxed Sunday, so we're gonna be hitting up the outlet malls, and I think that's pretty much all we're gonna be doing today. There is a Nike clearance store here, there's a Foot Locker outlet, there's a Puma outlet, and we're gonna be looking at all of them and hopefully finding some awesome pairs of shoes to buy and to show you guys. So as always, if you guys enjoy this type of content, let me know down in the comment section below, and the best way to let me know is by hitting that like button. If you haven't already, follow me on Instagram at Tom Stefaniak, just like you see right here. And that being said, I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get right into the mall. So we are inside the outlet mall right now, and there's Nike, I saw Puma, actually the Puma is right there, but there's also a Foot Locker outlet. I didn't even know Foot Locker outlets existed.
70%
to be
70% off.
70% off. I didn't even know Foot Locker outlets existed. This looks like super bare bones. It looks like some discount store from 1985. Like, look at the shelves there. I don't know if we're gonna find anything in here, but Christian told me the prices are really, really good. Let's check it out. So me 4 years ago, would have bought these in a heartbeat. We got the all pink suede Adidas Campus. These are $40, so once again, really, really cheap. The prices here are great. There's not really anything that nice, so I don't think we'll spend too much time in here, but $40, that is a great price. What on earth are these? This is like rubber. This feels like a rubber glove that you would use to wash your dishes. Like it's the exact same material, and they're on sale for $50. No one's gonna buy these. No one is gonna buy these for $5. I wish you could feel like it's actually like a rubber glove you'd use to wash your dishes. This is so strange. Ooh, this is pretty cool. We got some, I think these are Keith Haring. Doesn't say on the box anywhere, but these look sort of Keith Haring-y, a pair of Reebok workout lows. These are sick. I mean, they're 57, okay, they're $70. A little bit too expensive. Okay, I think this is the last good pair of shoes that they have in here. Some old school chunky ass looking Fila's. I love these things. They're $80. This is a pair of shoes I wouldn't pay more than $60 for, but I freaking feel like just make more of these. Stop with those weird chunky looking dad shoes and make chunky looking high top basketball sneakers. I would buy so many of these. Freaking love these. I know you guys probably hate these, probably think they look like marshmallow shoes. I will not argue with you. They do, but these are awesome. That's pretty much all they have in here though, so I think Nike's just down the hallway, and that is the next store we're gonna go check out. Here it is, the best store in the mall. This is not just a Nike outlet, this is a Nike clearance. Now here's a Nike store in terms of how good the prices are. Here's a Nike outlet store, and the Nike clearance store, the prices are just off the frame of the camera. Like, the prices here are gonna be amazing. It's entirely hash walls. Christian, I am so excited. I've never been in one of these before.
Did you have it?
No.
It's the best.
I am so excited. I'm gonna find a million pairs of shoes for great prices. I'm gonna buy all of them. I'm gonna regret buying all of them. Okay, I'm getting slightly less excited. I'm just kidding though, guys. I am super, super excited to get in here. Wow. Okay, let's see what they have. Oh my goodness, I remember making fun of these in Hong Kong and saying that no one was ever going to buy these, and here they are sitting at the Nike clearance store. The Nike Shox Gravity. What a strange looking pair of shoes. They're $79.99, so that's like, I don't know, $58 US. Just no. Just Nike, just no. Okay, so this is a pair of shoes that I actually own that is sitting here in like a size 8. They're still $170 though, so that's not even that good of a price. I mean, I think retail is like maybe $210 or something, so I mean, it's $40 off. I bought them for full price, so I mean, if I had seen them here, I would have paid $40 less. But I've had these for like a year and a half. I don't know, not the greatest price, but this is definitely the best pair of shoes that I've seen in here so far. Oh my goodness, how Roshe runs have fell off. So I remember back in the day in like 2013, around there, when the Calypso Roshe runs were the hottest regular GR shoe on the market. Like these resold for $200, $250. They were a sought after shoe. Like if you had these, you were cool and you were wearing some hot sneakers, and now they're sitting here in my size, might I add, for $44.99, which is like 35 US. Wow, Roshe runs have really fallen off. This is crazy. Christian, this is the most amazing store ever. There's just shoes and shoes and shoes, and everything is on the hash wall. I can already see just looking at these that there are some amazing prices. Why have you never taken me here before?
Check out what I got. $50. $50 for these Jordans.
This is what I mean. Wow, okay, this is officially the brightest shoe that Nike has ever created. These are some Nike Metcons, which is like a working out shoe or a cross-training shoe or something like that. Look at all the colors on these, lime green and pink and black and white. They're going for 85 bucks. I mean, not an amazing price, but these are nuts. Oh no, I hate to do this to you, Nike, because I love you. But I think we have found the worst pair of shoes in the store. The Nike Air Shake Indestruct, which is, this is a pair of Dennis Rodman's, and I love Rodman as a player. As a person, he's a little bit crazy, but they did like some pale pink colorway of these. This is just not happening. $95? Dude, some of the prices we're getting in here, like $45 for those Roshe runs, which actually look nice, and then these pale pink Rodmans are $95. I don't think you can do a pale pink Rodman shoe. Like, it needs to be hard colors. You think Rodman would endorse having one of his shoes be pale pink? No. Exactly. I would like to note that the employees here are freaking awesome. They're fine with me filming. They're encouraging me to film, in fact. In fact, they're like encouraging me to film. They're like, dude, yeah, here's some awesome shoes. Come check out these, come film these. Nike outlet in Winnipeg. You should take note of this because it's fun filming in here. But they don't let me film in there at home. These are pretty crazy. The Air Zoom Ultra React in this bright mango-y pink. I don't know what kind of sport this is for. Is it for tennis, for basketball? I honestly have no idea. Oh, there's a tennis court on the tongue. It's 100% for tennis. Even though I can see the Nike swoosh on these and they're in a Nike store, I still don't believe these are Nikes. These look like Pumas to me. I don't know why, but just seeing these, I'm like, these are Pumas. These are 100% Pumas, but no, apparently they're Nikes and they're called the Current Slip-On Bruh. Weird. Wow, this is definitely the best shoe that we've found in here so far. If you guys ask me, a pair of Jordan Futures for $70, so like 55 US or somewhere around there. I mean, it's nothing special. It's just like a gray or pure platinum. Yeah, it's called pure platinum Jordan Futures. But for the price, I mean, I think they retail for like 180 or something Canadian and down to 70. That's actually a really good deal. Size 11 though, if they were size 12, I'd consider buying these. I probably wouldn't, but I mean, I'd consider it. Okay, I wanted to buy these so bad at home, and I even talked about them in the video a couple days ago, but they're expensive. They're like $270 down to like $210. They retail for $393, which is way too much money, but they are on sale here for $150. But the problem is they have a size 11 and a half, and I realistically need a size 12 or 12 and a half. I'm still gonna try them on and see if they fit. Yeah, they definitely don't fit. So unfortunately, there's nothing here that I wanna buy, but Christian is picking up 2 pairs of kicks.
And I'm giving them away on my channel for free.
And he's giving them away on his channel for free, which is great, but the unfortunate part is that we need to stand in this line. Why do so many people want to buy things from here?
Okay, I'm gonna be your mom for a second, okay? If you wait patiently in this line, you can get Cinnabon right after, okay?
You paying for it?
No, you're paying for it.
So that was my first experience at a Nike clearance store. I do have to say, a little bit underwhelming, just a little bit. There wasn't anything that good, but I mean, Christian bought a couple pair of kicks on his channel, which is great. Nothing that I really wanted to spend my money on. Those Roshe runs were sort of cool. The soccer cleats were great. They just didn't have my size. Football cleats, I'm sorry. Let me know down in the comment section below what your favorite pair of kicks from that Nike outlet was. That being said, I don't really think we're getting up to that much else today, so thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate every single one of you. Make sure to hit that like button if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Tom Stefaniuk, just like you see right there. Love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I appreciate you guys tuning in. So until tomorrow, peace.